have a look. This Grammarly app is not the app like you come here and you type. It's an app where it's a keyboard, Grammarly keyboard. So you give all the settings, permissions, and everything in your phone, and then you're good to go. You just type wherever you are, and you can just make sure you selected Grammarly keyboard, and it shows you all the mistakes and how it sounds and everything. So here, apart from giving the permission to this keyboard, you just need to do little settings so that it helps you really great way. So here you go to keyboard settings, tone detection should be on. Like this is the coolest feature. So if you keep it off, it's like no meaning to this app. It requires 150 characters. If you're writing an essay or like a paragraph or email, it should sound good. Like you're writing it to your boss, it should be official and not something kind of really bad way, right? So it makes sure if it's official or unfriendly, it tells you what kind of tone it is, and also it shows the progress bar. So this is really helpful. And make sure you keep this emoji suggestion on, emoji button, dictation button, synonyms, and show synonyms after today. If you type a word and wait for it, it will show the synonyms, and dictation button for to type as you speak, and then emoji buttons and everything. Completions bars is also similar, like for correction it shows you suggestions, and auto correction should be turned on, and if you keep this on, it helps you to turn back to it, but it's not like really necessary. Auto capitalization and enable caps lock. Next is this character preview, keyboard clicks, haptic feed. These are the features that you have on your own keyboard, like the feelings, like you want the sound or you want to feel it like another press back. So these features, these are like really optional, not really with this Grammarly. It has nothing to do with that. Then shortcut, this will be really helpful. You don't have to go back to another session of your keyboard to type dots, and then you can select your English, and that's it. Yeah, that's another cool feature, manage personal dictionary. You can create your own dictionary. Let's go here. This word won't be flagged by our French. Yeah, like you, it will just leave the U as it is. So that's it. So here we are, good to go. You don't have to, and sometimes you see you type a U and it turns it into I. So hereafter there's no problem for that. Okay, now let's go and look at a demo. Here's two paragraphs I got from Google. So if you select this paragraph and if you see, it says the features like it's happy and lots of emotions. When you type, check word usage and everything, it got here. You can just click here and go, or else you can select this emoji and you can find here how this may sound to readers: friendly, 4 bars, and then appreciative, and also formal. So next, by clicking this, you can correct your errors automatically. Also, if you just navigate to this, it will move on your keyboard cursor to that particular place. So this is the best thing, I guess. So now let's go to second paragraph. In this paragraph, you see here it shows you the tone of friendly, confident, admiring. So it detects the tone. Like this is the best feature. This is some feature like using Python language, I guess, because there's this options. So I guess this is the best app that will really help you with typing everything. So get going, guys. Bye. Also, I must say there's also this thing. It is available for what's that? Yeah, PC for your Mac. All you have to do is you have to install this software. So I'll make sure to cover that in another thing. It says here that by installing it in your PC, these features gets like it's there are more other features available in PC for free. Also, you can upgrade this, like, but it costs like really high amount. You can upgrade it to access some of the features. So guys, make sure you download this. This is damn really helpful.